How to create a wallet on Brave browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create a wallet on Brave browser, easy and fast. So let's start. First thing we do is you go to Brave browser, and after that you go to those three dots here down below, click on them, and after that you will find this option called wallet. Click on it, and now click on get started, and here you write any password and verify it, and click continue and fill all the informations, and your wallet will be ready. And that's it for today's video guys. Don't forget like if this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Thank you so much. See you later.